Well, good morning. I'm up here in the parking lot at Woody's Wood Shop in Wilmington, North Carolina to pick up some marine plywood. And then after that, I'm going to take it over to a cabinet maker here in Wilmington to cut out some new plates for another kayak build. So I guess this is the first installment of a new boat build series. So I hope you come along and, see what we get into. What's up, buddy? Yeesh. All right, got the wood, and we're heading over to the cabinet shop now to start cutting on the CNC. So let's go see my buddy Drew. Oh man, there it is. We cut these plates out in two stages. First, we drilled all the stitch marks using a 1/16 inch bit, and then there's a tool change over to a 1/4 inch compression bit to cut out the cut path. And here you can see the first step in the drilling process. It cuts out all of the stitch marks first, and then we'll go back and get into the cut path. And here you can see it switching tools. We're now picking up the 1/4 inch compression bit to begin the cut path. I could seriously watch this thing run all day long, but I'm not going to make you watch every single one. Okay, I got the whole thing cut out at the cabinet shop. Got it all home and ready to go. And you know, if I didn't know any better, I'd say that looks like a legit kit. Huh. Wonder if I could do anything with that. At this point you might be wondering, why doesn't this stuff look nice and dark like this? It's because all of this is akume. And right now, sapelli prices are just stupid expensive, so we're going to use this as a learning experience. I'm going to try staining it, and I'm not expecting to get it anything like that, but you know, it's a two-tone boat, so we're going to go with a second tone and just see if we can get it actually decent at all. Again, it's not going to be like sapelli, but hopefully it's still nice. So now I'm inspecting the panels to see which side I like more, and that's going to be the side that I stain. That'll be what people see when they look at the boat. I ran some tests, and I think I'm going to use the Mohawk. Let's see, it's the medium mahogany, and I know some of the reviews aren't that great for this stuff, but we'll see what happens. This is only one coat. I'll probably go with two. We'll see what happens. Oh, I cut it big time. It's like 25% cut, so I'll probably do 2 coats with it diluted. Alright, what I'm doing here is using a foam roller to apply the stain. It's about 25% diluted into denatured alcohol, and even though I keep trash talking this stain, I think this method worked out really well. It went on nice and consistent. So the bad news is I hate it, but the good news is I knew I would. So It's going to be a purple boat. Well, yeah. I think when it's wet, it's looking blotchy, and then you just got to let it all dry and see what it comes out looking like. Because right now, but so far I'm the only one who knows that I hate it. So if I pretend I don't hate it, maybe people will be like, "Wow, that's beautiful." So I don't know. It's not Sapelli. So for me, the trick, whenever you come across a part in your project that you're not too happy about, the trick is to just hunker down and keep going no matter what. You're allowed to hate it, but don't let it knock you off of your momentum. You just keep going. Nothing stops. Alright, we went from sheets of plywood to individual plates. We got everything stained. It's actually growing on me now. I just really loved Sapelli, but I'll shut up about that. No more complaining. Next we'll be ready to glue together the puzzle joints and get in on stitching. But we're going to wrap it up here. If you're interested in building this boat, there's a link in the description. You can check it out. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Later.